Good morning one and all. Today we can see another problem in windowing method. The question is, design an ideal high pass filter with a frequency response hd of e power j omega is equal to 1 comma for limit modulus of omega from pi by 4 to pi and modulus of omega less than or equal to pi by 4, that value is 0. Find h of n for m is equal to 11 using Hamming window. Okay, then solution is, first we have to write the formula for hd of n, that is hd of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi hd of e power j omega into e power j omega n into d omega. Okay, in the question they have given ideal high pass filter. Ideal high pass filter means the value of hd of e power j omega is always equal to 1. In the limit value, the hd of e power j omega is always equal to 1. Ideal low pass, high pass, band pass all have the same constraints only. That is the value of hd of e power j omega in certain limit. In that limit it has the value 1, that is unity value. Okay, so here we have 1. Since it has the value 1, our tau value is 0. Okay, that is tau value becomes automatically 0. If the value of hd of e power j omega is 1 means tau value is automatically 0. Okay, if tau value is 0 means we can come to a conclusion that it is non-Cauchy filter. Okay, now we can first find the hd of n. Okay, first you write the formula. We can write the formula. Next you substitute the limit value. Here our limit is modulus of omega. They have given here modulus of omega. Modulus of omega means we have to take both positive value and also negative value. If the limit is given as modulus of omega means we have to take both positive value and also the negative value. So you will take this one as minus pi to minus pi by 4. We will take it as minus pi to minus pi by 4. Next limit is pi by 4 to pi. Okay, do you understand? Modulus of omega means we have to take both positive and negative limit. So first limit is minus pi to minus pi by 4. Second limit is pi by 4 to pi. Okay, so you will get it as hd of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to minus pi by 4 e power j omega n. Since hd of e power j omega is 1, so e power j omega n into d omega plus integral pi by 4 to pi e power j omega n into d omega. Next you can integrate this function with respect to omega and you can substitute the limit. When you are integrating and substituting the limit, you will get the answer as 1 by pi n into sin pi n minus sin pi by 4 into n. Here when n is equal to 0, you will get this equation in indeterminate form. So for n is equal to 0, you have to use L'Hospital rule. In hd of n formula, you have to use L'Hospital rule. That is, you have to differentiate the numerator separately, denominator separately. So when you are differentiating the numerator and denominator and substitute, after differentiating, you are substituting n is equal to 0 means you will get 0.75. Okay, now next we know that tau is equal to 0, that is it is non-Cauchy filter. For non-Cauchy filter, we have non-Cauchy filter Hamming window function should be used. Okay, in Hamming window function we have studied both Cauchy filter and a non-Cauchy filter formula. Here for non-Cauchy filter our formula is 0.54 plus 0.46 into cos 2 pi n divided by m minus 1 limit modulus less than or equal to m minus 1 divided by 2. That is modulus is given means we have to take, here also we have to take both positive and negative values. So this limit can be written as minus m minus 1 divided by 2 less than or equal to n less than or equal to m minus 1 divided by 2. So here m value is 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. M value here is 11. Okay. So 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So here also 5. So limit is minus 5 to 5. We have to find the values from minus 5 to 5. So we have to find for hd of 1, hd of minus 1 and hd of 2, hd of minus 2. Similarly w of 1, w of minus 1, w of 2, w of minus 2, w of 0, hd of 0 and hd of 3, hd of minus 3 and hd of 4 and hd of minus 4 and hd of 5 and hd of minus 5. When you are substituting the value of 1, you will get for a hd of 1 and hd of minus 1 also you will get the same answer only, that is minus 0.225. Similarly, when you are substituting for n is equal to 2 and minus 2 also you will get the same answer, that is minus 0.159. That is when n is equal to 3 and minus 3 also you will get the same answer, that is minus 0.075. Then you can substitute the n is equal to 4 and 5. After that you can substitute the values for the window function, that is w of minus 1, w of minus 2 and w of minus 3 and w of 4, w of minus 4. There also you will get the same value because these values are same. Similarly, window function also you will get the same values, that is w of 1 is equal to w of minus 1. Here w of 0 is equal to 1 and w of minus 1 and is equal to 1, w of 1 is equal to 0.912. Like this you have to find the values of w of 2, w of 3, w of 4 and w of 5 in the window function, substituting the values of n in the window function. Here w of 2 is equal to w of minus 2 equal to, we will get 0.682, w of 3 is equal to w of minus 3 is equal to 0.398 and w of 4 is equal to w of minus 4 is equal to 0.1678. Similarly, w of 5 is equal to w of minus 5 is equal to 0.08. In the question they have asked to find h of n, that is filter coefficients. That is filter coefficient formula is h of n is equal to hd of n into w of n. So we have found w of n and hd of n separately. So we can find the values of h of n, that is h of 0, h of 1, still h of 5. h of 0 is also h of 0 is equal to hd of 0 into w of 0, that is 1 into 0.75 is 0.75. Okay, 1 into 0.75 is 0.75 and hd of 1 is minus 0, that is hd of 1 into w of 1, that is minus 0.225 into 0.912, that is minus 0.2052. Similarly, we have found for h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5. h of 2 is minus, by multiplying hd of 2 into w of 2. h of 3 is found by multiplying hd of 3 into w of 3. h of 4 is found by multiplying hd of 4 into w of 4. h of 5 is found by multiplying hd of 5 into w of 5. So h of 3 is equal to minus 0.03, h of 4 is 0, h of 5 is minus 0.0036. So we have solved the problem and we have found the filter coefficients for the given question. They have asked only to find h of n, that we have found. That's all. Thank you.